Let us see this question of Jeemains from 2025. In this question, a function is given to you, f of x equals to sec inverse twice greatest integer function within box x plus 1. Then what's the domain of the function f we are to find out? For this, we should know the domain of sec inverse function, that is your x less or equal negative 1 or x greater or equal 1. It means the input in sec inverse, you can give any real values of x except all the numbers between negative 1 and 1. So I have written here domain of sec inverse is x less or equal negative 1 or x greater or equal 1. Now see, what's the input given here? This much. So this value either less than or equal negative 1 or greater or equal positive 1. So at first, if we say twice of this condition we are going to apply plus 1, this must be less or equal negative 1. Just simplify this, twice of this less or equal negative 2, it will give you within box x less or equal negative 1. Now, just simple reasoning you have to apply. Say here it is 0, here it is negative 1, sorry, here it is 1 and here it is negative 1. Let me write overlay. Now, how to justify this? See, here it is 0, here it is negative 1 and negative 2. On the number line, we will check it. Now, if you say, if you take any value from here, that is suppose minus 0.2, and if you apply or take the input in the greatest integer function, then this value will be your what? Greatest integer less or equal 0.2 minus 0.2. This is the minus 0.2. So to the left side of this, all the smaller integers are present. Among the smaller integers, which is the greatest? Negative 1 is the greatest. You can think like that way. From here, you start to work on the number line. At first, you will face what? Negative 1. The answer is negative 1. So in that case, this condition is satisfied. But if you take 0, the value will be directly 0. This condition will not be satisfied. If you take any number here, say negative 1.5, then also it will be negative 2. This condition is satisfied. I mean to say all the negative real numbers less than 0 will satisfy this condition. So from here you can say that x belongs to negative infinity comma 0 open interval. 0 is not included here. Again, second one, let us apply this condition. Input is this much, twice of within box x plus 1 greater or equal 1. So this will give you within box x, if you simplify, you will get this is greater or equal 0. So this is the number line. Here it is your 0, 1, 2 like this. So if you take any number to the left of 0, then it will be not satisfied. This condition will not be satisfied. But if you take any number, if you take 0, then value will be 0, this condition is satisfied. And if you take 0.5, then also it will be 0, this condition will be satisfied. And if you take 1.5, that will be 1 greater than 0. So all the real values of x for which this is greater or equal 0 is nothing but starting from 0 to infinity. So from here you can say x belongs to 0 to infinity. So 0 is included here. Now see, and if you combine these two, then what you get? You get x belongs to negative infinity to positive infinity. Because this is showing 0 to infinity, 0 to negative infinity, or less than 0 actually, and this interval giving you starting from 0 to positive infinity. So domain is this much. So your option B is the correct option. I hope all the steps are clear to you. Thank you.